Hello there. Today I'll show you how you can use simple Mozilla Firefox browser, right? Firefox internet browser to to use multiple Facebook logins or multiple Instagram users accounts and multiple Gmail accounts, multiple YouTube accounts, whatever you want, multiple accounts. It's a very simple trick. All you need to do is just to write this command. It's Firefox, right? You this command, I'll write this command in my description of this video, and you just run it for the first time. You don't have to do it again and again. This is the first time configuration or setup, you can say that. So all you have to do is to run this command, right? And it will actually show you this pop-up. Okay, all you have to do is just what you had to do, you say rename this profile, and you say okay, forget about it, let's create a new one. You say I name this, say it's FB user 1, right? And then you can if you want, you can store all these profiles in your separate whatever the drive you want, or you can have it just the default location that is by default mentioned up here, and then you simply click finish and you have this user 1. So one more, you create now FB user 2 and then finish, right? And as many as you want, right? So when you go to this FB user, right, and you start Firefox, you'll see how it works. Okay, there you go, right? Then you can just log in. It's a little bit crazy internet right now, so okay, here there you go. You I want I just for the security reasons, I just will just hide it out, unless let it log in first, and when the login is successful, right? So then we will open the another user, and we will log in with one more user. Or same way you can do it with your Instagram accounts and your YouTube accounts, or your emails or Twitter accounts, whatever you want, right? So let this let it log in. We will move to our another user. You just go to here. There you go. What you have to do, as you can see now, this is my one user that's logged in. Now we will open my Firefox -P, capital P, and then you open the the user number FB user 2 with new Firefox extension, and same way you can open as many as you want, right? This is the second user, and now as you can see, I will open another account of Facebook, right? So just had to wait a little. There you go. As you can see, you have one user is already logged in, and when you open the another one, there is you can log in as many times as you want, right? So, and this way you will be able to use your multiple Facebook accounts or YouTube accounts or Twitter accounts or Instagram accounts at once. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.